guys, welcome back to the Influential Life. I'm Shadana Miranda, the Influential Petite. And this video is helping my petite women set beauty goals. So how can you set beauty goals? When we think of setting goals, we often think about like personal goals or career-based goals, but that's not always necessarily the case of setting goals. I do believe that there is a such thing as setting beauty goals, because setting a beauty goal will really help uplift your self-esteem. It can give you that confidence that you need to ask that guy out on a date that you've been crushing on, or bring out your sense of humor at work, something that you've been hiding. So today I'm going to give you just a few startup tips to help you get started to set some beauty goals for yourself. Tip number 1, take care of your skin. Your skin is the first thing people see when they look at you. So I would suggest finding a really great cleanser that hydrates your skin, one that can free you from your breakouts, one that can free you from your blemishes. I also recommend possibly getting a facial once a month. Getting a facial once a month will really cleanse, exfoliate, and nourish your skin. So it's probably just the thing that you need to give you a very well hydrated look. Tip number 2, make it a priority to wear a pair of high heels at least once a week. Petite ladies, just because you look small doesn't mean you can't feel tall. Whatever it is, make it an effort to dress up and wear a pair of heels once a week, even if you have to do it on your only off day. When you look good, you feel good. So get into that feeling despite it being once a week. It will still give off the energy and confidence you need to conquer the world. Tip number 3, make sure that you take time out to uplift yourself as a petite woman. It's very important. So whatever it is you want to tell yourself, your inner self, you want to tell your alter ego, just do it. But always compliment yourself. And that is my last and final tip. So if you have any questions, you have any comments, make sure you leave them in the comment box below. I know those are simple tips, but they're very attainable and you can achieve them, and you will see a difference in your overall life, your overall appearance, and everything that you do on a daily basis. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be bringing you another great video next weekend. See you later.